Hey everybody, it's Tracy. We are live. Look at this. I feel like I'm at Macy's at the Thanksgiving Day Parade with the big balloons. So we got a big Santa Claus. How big is he?
20 feet.
20 feet tall, a 20-foot tall Santa Claus going up here at Ideal Florals and Events. I'm going to turn it around. Oh, okay, there you go. Look at him. He's huge. He's going up, going to be out here for the parade and for their open house. They're having an open house tomorrow, and I'm going to take you in and give you a preview of some of the stuff. There's Lynn and Leanne and Brian. We're all down here, and so they're all down here getting everything ready. Look at that. Okay, there's Santa Claus. Ho, 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 ho. He's falling over. There you go. Santa's been drinking a little too much eggnog, and he's coming my way. Let's walk through here. Look at this. Everything in this place is absolutely gorgeous. I'll try not to give you the crazies. Lynn's going to walk through with us, and we're going to talk a little bit. Look at this winter wonderland. Now, if you come in here normally, you know that it's fabulous, but look at this. Look at what they've got. We're going to do a walkthrough. The open house, let's turn this back around. All right, there's Lynn. The open house is tomorrow, the 6th of December.
9 to 2.
9 to 2. Now, the parade will be tomorrow evening, so come down here early and do some shopping. And if you do, put in the comments what you buy, because you're going to love it. Just hang on here in a minute. When we get toward the end, I'm going to show you why I'm coming down here in the morning. Now, we're going to have Santa Claus at Alco, so you need to come down here and then go up there after that. So I'm going to flip this around so you don't have to look at my black looking eyes. And look at this. All of this cabinet here is mud pie, correct?
Correct.
And I don't know how many lanterns you have in here. Do you have any idea?
No.
Okay, we got all these lanterns for candles.
20.
Or more that I've seen. And here's the mud pie. What a neat gift. And I need a hostess gift, so I'm going to definitely find something in here. Look at these bells. That would be great just to go on any decor, to go on a tree. You've got all different sizes, and bells are so big. And look at this lantern. And you even have some chinoiserie in here. Just so many neat things. And as we go through, you're going to notice wreaths, lanterns, and bows, tree topper bows. They've already taken all of the guesswork out, and they've made the tree topper bows. I know everybody else is going to love this too. First of all, the chandelier is fabulous. Everything you do, Lynn, is fabulous. But
those
the
are all
balls,
hand-blown.
hand-blown glass bulbs there. Now over here, we've got some more gifts, and these items. He's got some more of these tall for like next to a fireplace or somewhere you have something tall that needs to go. They're for a candle, and there's different colors. They're absolutely fabulous. You've got snowmen, ornaments throughout, whimsy. You've got everything here. You've got class, you've got whimsy, you've got fun. More of these beautiful greenery and the balls. And look at this lantern with the cardinal. We're going to go in this room over here.
Yep.
We've got stockings. I mean, this is, you don't want to miss it. And my fear is you're going to be like me. You're going to come in for one thing and you're going to leave with 10 and that's not I guess that's not a fear, is it? We have poinsettias. The wreaths, they've got so many beautiful wreaths and different sizes.
Yes.
There's one over here I want you to see. But look at it's a winter wonderland. It's a Christmas, it looks like Christmas just blew up in here. Look at these little gifts. Oh, these are those things that for like the sides of a fireplace. And then look in here at these little gifts. Truly, you could come in here and find something for everyone. But the wreaths are unbelievable. And they've got some odd and different colors. So like that's not such a traditional red and green. Here we've got back to the traditional red and green. Of course, they still have all the dish gardens and all your regular florals. But look at this. Can you imagine this on like a deep mahogany door Or look at this with a, even on a red door. And then this one with the cardinal. I can't get over it. Now let's go back in here.
Okay.
And come with us. I don't want to lose you. All right. I don't want to give anybody the seasickness either. You've got hand towels, which I love. Look at these sequins pillows.
And all of these hand towels are by Pat Payne.
Oh my
And
gosh. She'll be here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, Miss Pat. Look at there. Miss Pat. Oh.
She'll have t-shirts and these are just a few things that she brought early.
Okay, what I love, talk to me about these centerpieces.
Well, what we're doing, we're creating all one of a kind, candle or no candle. We have them in faux or we have them in fresh green. All of our small ones start at 20, and then we have the large ones that are 30.
I love that. They look so real. It's that real touch. They look so real.
Yeah.
And yet, you can keep them up.
Absolutely.
We just don't live in a climate where it's very conducive to people doing live greenery. I've tried it on my front, and it's so hot in that western sun that it just cooks it. Even my pumpkins cook in the fall, so I can't do that.
Be packed away and used again next year.
Yeah, they could. That'd be great. Now, this room back here is a gallery for Black
Rain Gallery.
Black Rain Gallery.
And they're all local pictures taken by Brian.
Now look at this. Look at this. This is just that little creek there in La Follette. Is that not? I just love it because I would look at that and see a creek, and he looks at it and sees beauty. But these are all just absolutely gorgeous. And there's another one there.
And then we even have floral.
And they've got some big floral prints, more abstract, even though they're real. They're not, but they have a more abstract feel. Yeah. Now here's what I'm excited about. Let's go in here to the next thing we've got. Oh, and look at this. Just look at this. How beautiful. This is just the eye. And as you stand here and look, you can just see how beautiful. And
then Tracy, I wanted to mention too that Hannah Gross is going to be here.
Oh, okay.
And she makes all of that handmade laundry. So,
the laundry soaps.
Yeah,
oh, great. Yeah. So popular. Well, we'll definitely want to do some of that.
Katie Tora, she's going to be here. She does the permanent jewelry.
Oh, wow. Okay. Now, we're back here.
We're still a work in progress.
We're still a work in progress. We're behind the scenes looking with the little elves, everybody. This is going to be where we do the photography. Lynn, tell them what we're going to do.
Well, these are all where, a lot of our clients or anyone can come down with your pet, and we do a picture of your pet, and then we give it to you matted.
How cool is that? For your furry friends. I cannot wait to bring Poppy and Pippa. I hope they act okay. I may actually have to do a video of them because they're going to show themselves. But for your furry friend, we've got a setup back here. And Brian's going to take some pictures, or somebody, is it Brian? Somebody's going to take some pictures.
The same photographer for
the same photography for the Black Rain Gallery is going to do it. And he's going to do the pet photography back here. And let's go back up front. I want to look at a couple more things. Ladies, can I slip through? How's Santa Claus doing? Is Santa still doing okay? He's still up. So more of these wreaths. I think these wreaths are just unbelievable. And I know I keep going back to this, but this is just so beautiful. We're so lucky to have small businesses like we do here in La Follette, and let's come out and support our local small businesses and actually get some stuff that we want, do some Christmas shopping. Tomorrow,
9 to 2.
9 to 2. I'm going to turn it back around. You'll have to look at us. Tomorrow, 9 to 2, there's Lynn, and we appreciate y'all. Share this, comment, tag people you want to meet down here.
Absolutely.
Tag people that you want to come down here and see. Let's get some people down here in the city of La Follette, down here. What's our street address?
We are 231 East Central Avenue.
So for those of you across from Pierce Furniture.
Or next to Burgess Printing.
Next to Burgess Screen Printing, so you know where we are. So come on down here. But first, let's walk around here and see how Santa Claus is doing. Let's go see how Santa Claus is doing. Oh, he's up. Look at him. Look how great he looks. There we go. What a great shot to end with. We got you going. All right. Thank you all. And I'm going to pull it back around. Thank you so much. Come see us tomorrow. And we look forward to it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.